So paying with Venmo at Grubhub is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can pay with Venmo on the Grubhub. So as we know, Grubhub is a food delivery app that lets you buy food online and you guys can easily make the online payments. So now, how can we use the Venmo to pay for your products on Grubhub? So if we talk about how Grubhub works, after using the app or website, you need to create an account. After creating an account, you need to enter your payment information. While entering the payment information, you need to add your Venmo's credit card. So if you don't have any Venmo's credit card, you just need to open your Venmo's application and there you'll be able to see an option for applying for a credit card or you guys can also create a virtual card as well. So this is how your credit card or debit card should look like, or you can also create a virtual one which looks exact the same way, but it is digital, which will stay on your phone. So you can also create a virtual card, or you can simply wait few days to get your credit card delivered to your home. And then after that, you need to put these credit card information in your Grubhub application. Your Venmo should be linked with Grubhub. So whenever you buy the products next time from Grubhub, what it will do is it will charge the amount of money from your Venmo's account. Or if you have already make an account and you want to add the payment information, then you just need to select the food you want to order, and in the checkout section, you can easily select the payment method. At Venmo, you can simply do that as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay with Venmo on Grubhub. Hope you guys find this very helpful.